central Kentucky, Allen County in south central Kentucky, southeastern Warren County in south central Kentucky, southern Barron County in south central Kentucky, until 8:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:58 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Scottsville, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Scottsville, Tompkinsville, Gamaliel, Fountain Run, Allen Springs, Oak Forest, Gum Tree, West Fork, Maynard, and Harlem Crossroads. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Damaging winds and continuous cloud to ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Until 8:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:59 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Glasgow, moving southeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Glasgow, Edmonton, Cave City, Park City, 88, Red Cross, Coral Hill, Pritchardsville, Lecca, and Haywood. Hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud to ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle.
W triple hundred on WNG 631.
Northwestern County in Middle Tennessee, Western Johnson County in Middle Tennessee, Southeast Arizona County in Middle Tennessee, Wilson County in Middle Tennessee, Northwestern Clay County in Middle Tennessee, Macon County in Middle Tennessee, Trousdale County in Middle Tennessee, until 8:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. 8:08 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 7 miles northwest of Lafayette to 7 miles east of Gallatin to Mount Juliet, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour with gusts and equal-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Gallatin, Lebanon, Lafayette, Carthage, Hartsville, Mount Juliet, Westmoreland, Watertown, Gordonsville, Red Boiling Springs, Hickman, South Carthage, Alexandria, Liberty, Tucker's Crossroads, Bethpage, Moss, Woodleyville, Dixon Springs, and Pleasant Shade. This includes the following highways: Interstate 40 between mile markers 229 and 265. Interstate 840 between mile markers 73 and 76. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service has 29 and 265. Interstate 840 between mile markers 73 and 76. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Central Marshall County in Middle Tennessee, Rutherford County County in Middle Tennessee, Central Maury County in Middle Tennessee, Southeastern Williamson County in Middle Tennessee, Northeastern Giles County in Middle Tennessee, Southwestern Wilson County in Middle Tennessee, Northwestern Bedford County in Middle Tennessee, Northwestern Cannon County in Middle Tennessee, until 8:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:05 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Belinda City to near Brentwood to 8 miles north of Columbia, moving southeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Murfreesboro, Franklin, Columbia, Lebanon, Lewisburg, Smyrna, Brentwood, Mount Vernon, Spring Hill, Mount Juliet, Nolensville, Thompson Station, Walterville, Laurel Hill, Antioch, Belinda City, Chapel Hill, Eagleville, Auburntown, and Holyoke. This includes the following highways: Interstate 40 between mile markers 223 and 238. Interstate 65 between mile markers 28 and 68. Interstate 24 between mile markers 58 and 93. Interstate 840 between mile markers 19 and 76. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Wayne County in Middle Tennessee, Southwestern Maury County in Middle Tennessee, Lawrence County in Middle Tennessee, Southeastern Davidson County in Middle Tennessee, Northern Rutherford County in Middle Tennessee, Southern Wilson County in Middle Tennessee.
No way. I'm under a tornado warning. This will be a triple header, guys, but I gotta get some stuff ready now.
Wind gusts and nickel-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Columbia, Lawrenceburg, Hohenwald, Waynesboro, Mount Pleasant, Collinwood, Summertown, Whitten, East Ridge, Wineville, Gordonsburg, Henryville, Colioga, Flatwoods, Lutz, West Point, and Hampshire. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Yep, it is.
Southeastern Davidson County in Middle Tennessee, Northern Rutherford County in Middle Tennessee, Southern Wilson County in Middle Tennessee.
Okay, I guess that counts as an EAS. Alright, I'm heading down.
The National Weather Service in Huntsville, Alabama has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Moore County in Middle Tennessee, Lincoln County in Middle Tennessee, Northern Franklin County in Middle Tennessee, until 9:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:37 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 7 miles northwest of Shelbyville to near Lawrenceburg, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Winchester, Fayetteville, Lynchburg, Detroit, Estill Springs, Ardmore, Petersburg, Timms Ford Lake, Howell, and Herdlow. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Triple header.
Damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. County in Middle Tennessee, East Central Rutherford County in Middle Tennessee, Northern Warren County in Middle Tennessee, Southeastern Wilson County in Middle Tennessee, Western White County in Middle Tennessee, Southwestern Putnam County in Middle Tennessee, Cannon County in Middle Tennessee, until 9:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:38 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Gordonsville to 7 miles south of Watertown to near Murfreesboro, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Cooksville, McMinnville, Sparta, Smithville, Woodbury, Baxter, Gordonsville, Hickman, Alexandria, Doyle, Downtown, Liberty, Auburntown, Centertown, Hamptons Crossroads, Baker's Crossroads, Burgess Falls State Park, Rock Island State Park, Penarchy Lake and Edgar Evans State Park. This includes Interstate 40 between mile markers 254 and 300. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Southern Wayne County in Middle Tennessee, Marshall County in Middle Tennessee, Lawrence County in Middle Tennessee, Giles County in Middle Tennessee, until 9:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:38 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms
Quadruple coming up now.
along a line extending from Chapel Hill to Walnut Grove, moving south at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Lewisburg, Lawrenceburg, Pulaski, Loretto, Collinwood, Ardmore, Cornersville, St. Joseph, Elkton, Minor Hill, Lineville, Cypress End, Belfast, Good Spring, Leoma, West Point, Franconia, Iron City, Prospect, and Farmington. This includes Interstate 65 between mile markers 1 and 32. This is a dangerous situation.
Oh, okay.
These storms are producing widespread wind damage. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. The National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Southeastern Rutherford County in Middle Tennessee, Northwestern Coffee County in Middle Tennessee, Southwestern Warren County in Middle Tennessee, Bedford County in Middle Tennessee, Southwestern Cannon County in Middle Tennessee, until 9:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:41 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Woodbury to Lewisburg, moving southeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Shelbyville, Manchester, Tullahoma, Morrison, Wartrace, Bellbuckle, Normandy, Christiana, Beech Grove, Rouse, Fosterville, Summitsville, Seaton, Bradyville, and Unionville. This includes Interstate 24 between mile markers 82 and 112. This is a dangerous situation.
Okay.
These storms are producing widespread wind damage. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.
Last one?
The storm.
Yep.
The National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Coffee County in Middle Tennessee, Warren County in Middle Tennessee, Grundy County in Middle Tennessee, until 9:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:12 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles northeast of McMinnville to 11 miles northeast of Manchester to Tullahoma, moving southeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail.
A double header! Holy crap!
Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include McMinnville, Manchester, Tullahoma, Ruby Lager, Tracy City, Altamont, Coamont, Morrison, Palmer, Beersheba Springs, Viola, Rock Island State Park, Summitsville, Hillsborough, and Pelham. This includes Interstate 24 between mile markers 109 and 136. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Tornado warning! Here we go, boys, finally!
Immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning.
Triple header, third one tonight.
Central Daylight Time. At 9:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over McMinnville, moving southeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damaged roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of southern Warren County, including the following locations: Morrison. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Severe thunderstorm watch now. The National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Cumberland County in Middle Tennessee, northeastern Warren County in Middle Tennessee, Van Buren County in Middle Tennessee, White County in Middle Tennessee, until 10:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:20 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles south of Monterey to near Sparta to 8 miles west of Spencer, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Crossville, Sparta, Spencer, Fairfield Glade, Crab Orchard, Pleasant Hill, Doyle, Lake Tennessee, Cumberland Mountain State Park, Indian Rock Lake, Virgin Falls State Natural Area and Rock Island State Park. This includes Interstate 40 between mile markers 320 and 340. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. At 8:59 p.m. Central Daylight Time,